Preparation tools: microswitch, wrench, pliers, screwdriver, scissors, electric screwdriver. Unscrew the 6 screws at the back and open the back panel. Open the connector and pull out the fan wire. Unscrew the 4 screws on the side and open the side panel. Do the same on the other side to complete the removal of the side panel. Then remove the front panel and loosen the 3 screws on the right side. Then loosen the 3 screws on the left side as well. Open the front panel. Open the electric box cover. Cut the tie to loosen the wires. Pressed the switch and found no sound. It means that if the shrapnel is broken, it is necessary to replace the micro switch. First, unplug this micro switch wire. Unscrew the nut. Replace with new microswitch. Plug the previous wire back in and test. Turn on the switch and test whether all keys are working properly. Press and move slightly to see if there is any sound. If there is sound, it is normal. Tie the wires and replace the electric box cover. Install the front panel and side panels. All done.